having a great time. Let me ask you something. Are you planning to purchase or sell properties in the sphere of real estate? If yes, you must be aware of the troubles that home buyers and sellers may have to face. Take the help of experts who can help you with the RERA Advisory services. Are you also someone who's wondering what is RERA Advisory? It is an exclusive term for the real estate sector that intends to set up an authority working for the benefits of the consumers or buyers of this particular sector. It also brings into light the important concerns which in the past have created troubles for the home buyers, like on-time delivery of the housing project, quality of construction, etc. RERA Advisory is recommended to everybody who wishes to purchase or sell properties in the realm of real estate. What is RERA Act? Have you heard about it ever? Let's understand it in detail. The Real Estate Act 2016 was enforced on 1st May 2016. The RERA Act was implemented to bring accountability, transparency and unambiguousness to the real estate sector. Due to this act, it is now obligatory and compulsory not only for all the real estate projects but also for the real estate intermediaries and agents to get them registered under this act. Let's also understand what are the objectives of the RERA Act. Why was it started? To bring transparency and accountability and the grievance redressal mechanism in the real estate sector. To establish a regulatory authority known as the Real Estate Regulatory Authority for regulating and administering the real estate sector. To protect and safeguard buyers' rights. To bring confidence in the real estate sector. To specify the penalties and imprisonment for the defaulters. Now, after understanding the objective and when was it started, we also have to understand that why was there a need for RERA Advisory. There are a lot of reasons. For some instances given right here, the government felt that there was an urgent need to enforce a law that significantly and considerably deals only with the real estate sector in India. For example, no sectoral regulators. As we know that the real estate sector acts as a heavy-handed industry in our Indian economy. However, before the enforcement of RERA, the sector was unregulated as it had no sectoral regulators like TRAI, SEBI, IDAI, etc. Undue delay in the completion of projects. In India, before the enforcement of RERA, the real estate sector had faced a lot of unjustified delays regarding the project completion. Frauds and misconducts by some builders and brokers resulted into a massive rise in the complaints and cases pending before various courts and government in India. Regulatory authority. The consumers of the real estate industry prior to the enforcement of RERA Act used to approach the consumer courts under the Consumer Protection Act 1986 for the grievance redressal, but the said alternative was just curative and not suitable to address all types of concerns that a buyer had. If you have understood that why was it started and you are someone who is right there to file a complaint, let's understand what steps. The very first step would be right here to visit the official portal of the respective state. In the next step, the compliant is required to file his complaint on the concerned portal by going to the complaint registration page. An individual can find a link regarding the same. Once you're done with that, the concerned link will then take the applicant to the complaint form. Step 4 will require you to fill in all the necessary details like name, contact number, registered address, the details regarding his real estate project. Step 5 would be that the applicant will be required to annex all the required documents along with the complaint form. And finally, in the last step, the applicant is required to pay the prescribed registration fee to finish the process. After paying the fees prescribed, the form will then be taken up by the regulatory authority. And if you are someone who is right there in the middle of all these crises and not able to handle it by yourself, you can bank upon us for getting assistance on the RERA registration and advisory on several aspects of RERA such as registration compliance, filing, etc. So right here, do let us know if you need any help on the given contact below. And until then, do like, share and subscribe the video. I'll see you soon. Take care.